Hey guys, so I wasn't gonna do a video today, but I got this lovely little package, and it's actually quite a big package, from Y.R.U shoes. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing. It's the big box. Don't mind my messy room. I'm in the middle of doing a project with my vanity, so it's a bit of a mess because I just dumped all the drawers to the vanity out. I'm so excited though. Oh. Okay. Whew. And I just couldn't wait to open the shoes, so I just had to do a video just right now. I'm not gonna even wait. Opening packages is like Christmas. It's wonderful, wonderful presents. Okay. So here's what we're working with. 3 lovely boxes of shoes. All right, now let's get into it. All right, so my shoes, like per package. Let's see. Let's go with the first one on the list. The Night Terror Pink Velvets. Oh, that's a weird noise. Well, I love their tissue paper. You know, it has their logo on it in like shiny silver. Now let's look what's underneath. Okay, so these are, here, let's dim the light a little bit. Pink velvet Night Terror boots. Is that what they are? Oh, but they are gorgeous, aren't they? I'm sure they'd be a bitch to clean, and like it would be so upsetting if you got them dirty. I bought 6s. Now, Y.R.U shoes don't come in half sizes, and I bought 6s. I've noticed that, you know, I went to Forever 21, and I couldn't, my size is usually a 6.5, and I couldn't wear any of the 6.5s. They were just too big for whatever reason. I don't know. I've lost a bit of weight recently, so maybe my foot just isn't as fat or wide or something. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm gonna slip this bitch on. I'm just too excited. And my cat won't stay out the damn box. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope it fits because all of them I bought a size 6. Yeah, it fits pretty good. I wouldn't be able to wear like too thick of a sock. But yeah, oh goodness. Oh, super excited. I don't know. It looks like it's, no, it's dirt. There's a bit of a gray streak on the shoe. I'm not quite sure what it would be from. It looks like it was like, it has some indentations here. And there's like, do you see that little streak? So when I did finally take the other shoe out, the inside facing side was super dirty. Y.R.U shoes you can only buy online. But like if I were to get something from Forever 21 or some sort of other, you know, retailer that has storefronts, it's because I want it in the most pristine condition and I don't want it to like have been damaged. So that's unfortunate. Now that pair was $80, but I got all of these 50% off with the Liddy 50 discount code. You can probably still use it. So if you see this video, try it. Just try to use the Liddy 50 discount code. Oh, and that was the Nightmare Pink Velvet, not the Night Terror. And the Nightmare Pink Velvet was $80, but I got it for $40. I don't know if I said that. Now I'm on to the Night Call. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. These are the Night Call, like high ones. Sorry, just looking at my invoice. Now, these were originally $120, but I got them for $60. Did I get these? I got these in a 6'2", good, because they do look a little long. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Oh my God. Aren't they just to die for? Bimboification, here I come. I love like hyper femininity and like, kind of like things that are like super girly and like super kawaii and like kind of super Lolita like. So I'm trying to like get more into like dressing that way and being hot to trot all the time. I just like want to be 24/7 extra. Okay, now last but not least is the Night Terror in the neon pink color. I want to also get the candy pink color, and once I do, I will. If I don't like these as much, then I'll get rid of these. These were originally $130, and I got that 50% off, so $65, $75. I don't remember. Okay. These are like the holy grails. Now, there were other shoes from Y.R.U that I really wanted to get, but they haven't been put on the website yet. They've just been previewed like on Instagram, so that is super unfortunate, but it is what it is. If the candy pink had been on there, I would have gotten them. They're not on the Y.R.U website right now, but they are on Dolls Kill. Now these came in the bag, as they should have, with like lots of padding, and you'll see why. I think I will have them in both colors. I know I will like the candy pink a lot better though, because I love pastels, but these neon pink shoes are to die for. Oh, this one isn't screwed all the way in, and there's nothing I can do about that either. But you can tell like right there where like the screw is kind of sticking out. I guess they're all like that. But these are gorgeous. They're just fantastic. Let me dim these lights so like it's not as reflective. But look at that, and the sole is purple. Oh my God, I got these in a 6'2", right? These should all be a size 6. I'm pretty sure like I decided that I was just gonna get all of them in a size 6. Okay. Now there's another little problem. So I don't know if you could see it, but look, there's a scuff right there. Which is like it's super unfortunate. I know like it's not much and I can probably just take a pink eraser to it, but as for something that's supposed to be like brand spanking new, it's unfortunate to see like little blemishes and things like that. So yeah, but it is overall great. And I'm really happy with my purchase after shipping and everything. So like my total came out to $165, and then after shipping it was, you know, $183, which is a little pricey for shipping, like almost $20, $17, $18 for shipping, but that's okay. I really can't wait to wear these shoes, you know, do photo shoots in these shoes. The shoes, just the shoes. Oh, shoes. So that was my little unboxing. Join me next time. Please like, subscribe, comment. Can't wait to make videos for you again. So this is how I've decided to display some of my favorite platforms.